Since 1929, the International Hospital Federation has made great strides in healthcare, hospital management, and education. Keeping our services running, our professionals delivering, and our knowledge flowing. In recent years, the IHF community has gathered in some incredible cities to carry on this legacy. Now, we are continuing the vital work that has come before. On October the 25th to October the 27th, 2023, the International Hospital Federation is coming to Lisbon. Organised by the consortium of 3 associations, the World Hospital Congress will once again be a global forum for healthcare, hospitals, and health services. Together, we will be envisioning tomorrow's world, focusing on our 5 key topics: leaders successfully navigating the future, next generation sustainable healthcare, innovative approaches to care, the digital landscape, and the future for our professionals. This will all be to implement global learning and local action. Bringing delegates on site to meet and learn from members of Portugal's leading hospitals, helping to drive knowledge and create impact across the entire healthcare sector. Thank you, and we look forward to welcoming you in Lisbon in 2023.